Today we will talk about different ways to plump your lips without investment and without more cost. Okay, plump your lips with cinnamon. So first of all, subscribe the HB channel and like this video and tell me about how am I looking. Okay, and let's start the video. Different ways to plump lips with cinnamon. Seeing Hollywood A-lister like Angelina Jolie and Priyanka Chopra, plump lips can be a bit in voice, especially since they have a nice pout going for them. We have to admit that they do look sexy with it too. Some are more than happy to go under the knife just to have plump lips, or even OPT for fillers to make their lips plumper. But do you really have to? Surprisingly, plumping your lips doesn't have to cost a lot. And also, nor does it have to be a painful too. As a matter of fact, you can find an ingredients in your pantry that can contribute to your having plumper lips, which is cinnamon. The cassia oil that is contained in a cinnamon doesn't harm the skin when you apply cinnamon topically, but it can cause irritation in the mucous membrane, giving you that pout on your lips. How to plump lips with cinnamon? If you want to make your lips plumper with the use of cinnamon, here are a few recipes that you can try out. Ground cinnamon and Vaseline lip plumper. Vaseline helps to keep your lips moisturized, with cinnamon gives them that plump look. To make this natural lips plumper, you will need to prepare half a teaspoon of Vaseline and a teaspoon of cinnamon powder or oil. Mix the two ingredients in a small bowl. Then massage it gently on your lips. Leave it for a few minutes, then wipe the mixture off. Apply lip balm after. Cinnamon, olivia oil and salt lip plumper. This is a scrubbing treatment that will remove dead skin cells on your lips while letting the cinnamon do its job of making your lips plump. For this recipe, you will need a teaspoon of salt, a tablespoon of olivia oil and a teaspoon of powdered cinnamon. Get a small bowl and blend the ground cinnamon powder and olivia oil before adding salt. Stir thoroughly, then apply on your lips. Massage your lips gently for a few minutes. Rinse off after a while, then pat your lips dry. Don't forget to apply lip balm after. Cinnamon plumbing lips gloss. Who would have thought that you can use your favorite lip gloss with cinnamon to make your lips fill up? All it takes are two ingredients, your favorite lip gloss and 2 to 3 drops of cinnamon oil. Add the cinnamon oil gradually on your lip gloss while testing it. You can apply your lip gloss anytime you want, where aside from getting plump lips, the gloss will add shine to them too. Cinnamon and baking soda lip plumper. Another exfoliating lip plumper is the cinnamon and baking soda concoction. In this recipe, you will need a tablespoon each of coconut oil or olivia oil and a ground cinnamon powder, as well as half a teaspoon of baking soda. Pour the oil of your choosing in a small bowl and add ground cinnamon and baking soda to it. Mix all the ingredients until you get a smooth paste. Apply it to your lips and scrubs for a few minutes. Leave the mixture to set, then wipe it off afterwards. Aside from removing dead skin cells, this mixture can help plump your lips easily. Cinnamon and peppermint lip plumper. This combination of cinnamon and peppermint can cause your lips to plump up, which is one of the reasons why this is useful solution to get you that pout safely. You will need a drop of peppermint oil and half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Combine the two ingredients properly before applying on your lips. Give your lips a gentle massage for a few minutes, then wipe it off. Apply your lips balm after.